there, Robert Moody with MarineMax out here at Lake Louisville, the Dallas Yacht Center. I want to show you this used Sea Ray. It's a 2016 Sea Ray 540 Sundancer. We sold this boat new. This boat has never left Lake Louisville, freshwater boat, straight from the Sea Ray plant. 285 hours on the Cummins 600 engines. Does have the Zeus's on them. Everything's been serviced, engines, generator, pods. About 800 hours on the generator, a little bit under 800 right now. This boat has had all the upgrades. Recently, the stereo's been upgraded, TVs, refrigerators, air conditioners. This boat is ready for somebody. Awesome boat. In the cockpit, there's two 16,000 BTU air conditioners, one on each side. So if you like being outside where all the fun is, people are wet from being in and out of the water, this is like your backyard patio. I got ice maker, refrigerator, grill, TV, so much music, you're gonna, plenty of sound. Everybody on the boat, great storage. So a couple cool things they did besides the TV and refrigerator upgrade. So they added this extended Bimini. This wasn't from the factory, but they want a little bit more shade over this aft seating. So how nice is that? They also have the enclosure for the wintertime. You can enclose the whole thing. Right now I got these swing doors open, so you have a big sun lounge if you're anchored out. When you're underway, you need to unlock it, rotate it, and they're both going to lock up like this. Now you can drive the boat, head underway. Massive swim platform. I really like the storage back here that they did. There's two different lockers. There's one, a little short locker for lines or stuff easy you want to get to, right? Kind of a little shallow line locker or toys or something. This is going to be your big locker. Big fenders, a big boat, big fenders, lines, your floats, your tubes, everything's going to go down there. How easy is that? At the end of the day, give me your toys, let's load up, let's go back to the dock. Super easy to have right back here in the back. Previous owner did lift up a jet ski, so you can remove those cradles if you want to, slide right in and out. You can't pick up a jet ski, but a massive hydraulic swim platform, hang out right here in the water. I love the Sea Ray 540 Sundancer. It's like driving almost a center console. You're driving from the center of the boat. You have 360 degrees visibility, front, the sides, the back. These are STID seats. These are expensive real captain's chairs, so you can adjust them to any position you want to get comfortable. Face them forward, face them aft. Great real captain's seat right here at the center of the helm. Two massive Raymarine screens. I got joystick, I got skyhook, I got auto heading. Everything you need on the boat right here. Again, a very nice stereo upgrade, zone control for bow, transom, cockpit, everywhere. Opening skylight if you want that. Like they put the Mercury vessel view gauges up there, so you got everything on the Raymarines, but you also got more data if you just look up. A great layout for a boat. As somebody that I enjoy driving boats, I love driving this boat because there's nothing obstructing my view. If you want to feel a little bit of breeze, it has two opening windows on each side, vents on each side, and there's a forward vent too, so when you're running, it'll push some air through here. But again, I got 16,000 BTU AC or reverse cycle heat circulating air in here already. You can also open up the skylight if you need a little bit more. Let's go down the cabin. First thing is, I like it lets natural light in through there. You do have a screen door too, which is nice. But what's really nice about this is these stairs. It's not a ladder, it's stairs. I can be carrying a plate of food or drinks for my guest, and you're just gonna walk straight down into the cabin. I really like they put the control panel right here when you enter the boat. I got 220, 120 stuff there. There's batteries, 12 volt, 24 volt, everything's right there, ignition keys. Here's all the stereos, Sirius satellite radio, dish TV, everything's right there. Some amps, again for the stereo upgrades there. Owner's manual, still the original from Sea Ray right there. There's a central vac, AC unit down there. But coming into the galley, here's one thing that the previous owner did just like 2 years ago. He replaced both refrigerators, so we got two brand new refrigerators down here. Two new air conditioner units down in the cabin. Great storage on the boat. Sea Rays really did a phenomenal job how deep these storage pockets are, so if you're looking to provision your boat and keep stuff on it, you can load this thing up like it's a lake house. but everything's hidden out of the way. Deep storage compartments there, nice counter to prep food and get food and drinks ready. All new TVs throughout the whole boat. So every TV is brand new. So we got a new TV here. You got a nice L-shaped sofa, plenty of headroom, lots of good lighting to come get out of the sun for a little while and cool off. Going up forward, here's going to be your guest stateroom. Got some nice wood blinds, got some port lights on the side. You got storage lockers or closets on each side. I like they do have cedar line closets. Again, they're really the top end Sea Ray fit and finish on this model yacht. You can see it everywhere in the build. There is a door here, and there's a day door too going into the day head. So the guests in the forward stateroom are going to be able to have direct access to a head and separate shower, their own private one, and it's really appointed nice. The details, the backsplash tile, this tile inlays into the fiberglass molded capsule of this head and shower area. They went above and beyond. No curtains on the 540 Sundancer. You got a nice pocket sliding door. It's really nice, still lets a little bit of light through, but this is going to be the aft owner suite. There's a combo washer dryer. It's never been used here. This boat has probably not been slept on 12 times in the 10 years. Another AC unit, a brand new one down here. Wi-Fi control. You can set the temperature before you even get to the boat from your house. Great storage here. New TV there. Really nice area. And you have your own private head and with separate shower. Again, the amenities and how Sea Ray completed the build out of this boat. It is their luxury Sundancer. Well, if you'd like to see this boat or have any questions about it, please give me a call. Again, I'm Robert Moody at MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. There's only been 2 owners of this boat. I've known them and helped out both of them. They traded it in. The current owner traded it in to get something bigger. So I'd love to help you out on this 2016 Sea Ray 540 Sundancer.